Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the volume on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Adjusting the volume on Windows 11 is easy. There should be buttons on your keyboard to do it, but you can also do it with the settings. In the toolbar in the bottom right of Windows 11, you should see a sound icon. Click on that. You will then see a slider for volume control. Slide it left to decrease the volume and right to increase. You can also adjust the volume by going into Settings. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Sound. In Sound Settings, you will see a slider for the volume adjustment. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.